Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to play Roblox without downloading it. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so normally Roblox, you have to download the actual Roblox Pair app onto your system in order to play Roblox. However, it is completely possible to play this in your web browser. So let's go ahead and do this now. Okay, so if you just open up your preferred browser, and we're going to go to a site called now.gg. Okay, so you're going to be taken to a homepage that looks like this, and then we're going to want to go into the search bar and look for Roblox. Okay, so this will just take a little second to load. Okay, and then now what it's going to ask you is, do you want to obviously play this in the browser? So select that button. Okay, and at this moment, while we're just waiting for it to load, there's normally an ad that will display, and then it's just literally the one ad, and then it should be nice and quick and gets you to the Roblox sign-in page. Okay, so here we are. We can see it's now loaded as Roblox, and it's now brought up some controls to let you know what you're going to be using on your keyboard in order to play Roblox. Alternatively, you can come down to the game controls section and select anything in there and make any changes if you want to. Okay, so here we are then. So we've now got into the sign in page. All you want to do at this point is simply log in with your user ID and a password that you would be using on the Roblox software. So this is where you would literally just sign in, and there we go. You can start playing Roblox using your web browser. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.